Welcome online class Raghunathpur Girls High School. Good morning student. How are you student? Thank you very much. Now today our online class, today our class lesson is article. Now we should be discuss article. Article ARTICLE article. Firstly we should learn article. Article most of the important things in grammar.
আসসালামুয়ালাইকুম
Now
স্কুলে আপাতত একটা দুটো পর্যন্ত থাকতেছি
lesson outcome. Learn
আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওটা জানা ছিল
what is the article? What is the article? Everyone students say what is the article? Article means any things, any person, place or things definitely indicate. Article means definitely indicate any things, person, place or things. Any person, place, any man, definitely and indefinitely things. Any person, place or things definitely and indefinitely things is called article. Now we should divide it. How many kinds of article? How many kind of article? There are two kind of article. One, definite article. Two number indefinite article. Definite article and indefinite article. We should more and more discuss definite and indefinite article. It is an uses our discuss lesson. তো মুশকিল জানতো না কি হলো এটা লিখতি তো মুশিতি তো সময় শেষ এই জায়গাটা হলে হতো এই জায়গাটা Now we should discuss definite and indefinite article. Definite article. Definite article, we should indicate any person, place or things fixedly. It is definite article. This article this article definitely a person, place or any things is called definite article. Definite article, a person, place or thing definitely or fixedly is called definite article. Say, for example, fixed name, person, place or things is called definite article. Say, the cow, the house. ন্যাশনাল ভিজন আসলে মুসলিম তো
মুসলিম
Now indefinite article now indefinite article is any person, place or thing indefinitely is called indefinite article. Indefinite article is any name, person, place or things. Now a cow, a dog, a hen, it is indefinite article. Thank you very much. Before class, we should